Welcome back to my channel. My channel. Right now me have it on a panel. Hey. In this video, I'll be showing how to do a valance using fair lights. These are the lights for today's transformation, so just stay tuned and be in tune, okay? This is the era we'll be transforming today. Let's go. A few of the lights are entangled. Basically, I started setting up outside and then I decided to take it indoor. So I didn't repackage the light, so a few of them are not. So I'm just clearing them as we go. I like to work with my lights plugged in so I can see what I'm doing. I do most of my lighting job in the night time. The first thing I do is to take the measurement for the side. This would include the plug-in. Then I will begin shaping out the valance. I like the depth and the shape of this, so I will just affix into the rod and then continue. Always try to get the first one as neat as possible and to the width and size that you would want it. After this is done, you'll basically just color what you have done there to complete the other section. I will be running the second row of light. I'll be doing this above the one that is already there, so I will make it a little smaller but the same shape as the one that's there before. The second string is in perfect position, so I will follow the same procedure as before and I will continue this way until it is complete. Working on the third string at the moment. The third string is now in place, but I'm doing it all in one. I start from the right side, come up with the valance at the top, come down on the left side, then I will go back up on the left side. I will do the valance, go across on the right, and I will continue like this until the valance is completed. Fourth string in progress, same procedure. Here I'm doing the string to the extreme top. I like to step away from what I'm doing so I can have a good look to see where I'm at, and this look beautiful to me. However, I will be adding another string on the lower side to give you a little more depth. I will be putting in the final layer now, so it's the same procedure. However, I will put in this one at the bottom, not at the top. So instead of making it smaller, I will make this one bigger than the others. You always need to check to ensure that both sides have the same balance, so of the same measurement, so this will give you a balanced look, okay? I'm just putting in the finishing touch, because as you know, my work has to be quality, so we say quality over quantity, okay? So there you have it, a very light Valance with all the beauty. So as you know, I'll be waiting to hear from you guys, so get typing. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. It has always been my pleasure to create this design for your viewing. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, you know I could not finish this video without bringing you guys up front and personal. So please have a close-up look and behold the beauty. So to each and every one, thank you all for coming, and please to come again. God bless, one love.